Okay, everyone, never, ever, for any reason, you never, ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. That is a big no-no. You don't ever do that. Also, you never ever pull fire alarms for fun in any public building for any reason. Fire alarms are only to be pulled when there is a real fire emergency, or if you have permission to do it for a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that is in a controlled legal environment where the fire department doesn't come. But if it's not for those reasons, fire alarms should never ever be pulled. And fire alarms should never ever be tampered with unless you have your own fire alarm system at home. But in a public building, you do not tamper with them for any reason. If you detect a fire, then pull it because you want to alert people that they have to evacuate the building immediately. But never ever tamper with fire alarm equipment for any reason. Goodbye.